Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Tecno Pova Neo 2. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now you can click open and here click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and here click on consent, and now you can click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.